fucking love that feeling. Look at, I'm in the middle of a fucking riptide. Can walk like halfway out into the fucking water. I don't want any sharks to get me, so I'm going back. Nothing like playing in the fucking water, the fucking ocean. Oh, it's so fucking warm. The ocean is like a fucking bath right now. It is so fucking warm. Fucking big crab right there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, bitches. Holy fucking shit, guy. Biggest fucking snail I have ever seen in my fucking life. What the fuck is that? Dude, is he alive? Bro, he is alive. Rules. Beach is closed. Fuck you.